lightning.
Holy crap. Get the hell out of here.
We just got struck by freaking lightning.
Did it catch it on the camera?
I have no idea.
That was not lightning.
That was lightning.
No way. All of our electronics still work. We're good. Did it actually flash bright?
Yeah!
My hair's standing up. Keep going. Get the heck out of here. This is way too dangerous. Get the hell out of here.